actually, when you sign up today with our services, if that tax return that you filed in April, or maybe you got an extension and did it in October, either way, whatever tax return you filed this year, if it is questioned in terms of an audit, you're going to already be protected because you signed up today. So even though it happened before you signed up, you're going to be covered. This is an amazing feature because you never know when Uncle Sam or Aunt Iris are going to call you into the room about your tax return, your personal tax return. And we have uncontested minor child adoption, name change, annulment, separation, or divorce, as well as prenup and postnuptial preparation. Now, these two areas kick in 180 days after you've had the service. Now, you're not going to have to pay the attorney fee, but you will have to pay filing fees. Again, I'd rather pay the filing fee than to have to pay the attorney fees. 24/7 emergency access, that's available as well because everything does